Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're diving into the world of Class C camper vans, but not just any camper vans. We're talking about the absolute cream of the crop. Welcome to 7 most luxurious Class C camper vans. They're the epitome of luxury and comfort, and we can't wait to share them with you. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Let's kick things off with number 7 on our list, the Numar Supreme Air, a diesel Class C motorhome with a hulking 605 horsepower. This RV is built for the ultimate road trip experience with its luxurious interiors, from the Egyptian leather seat covers to the premium porcelain tile floors. This Class C beauty is the embodiment of opulence on wheels. It features high-end finishes, spacious living areas, and a kitchen that will put many home kitchens to shame. The Numar Supreme Air doesn't just take you places, it transports you to a world of luxury and indulgence. At number 6, we have the Adria Coral XL, a Class C camper van that redefines elegance. It's a fusion of style and functionality. The interior design is both contemporary and cozy, offering a homely feeling on the road. The Adria Coral XL is a Class C camper van that combines modern amenities with ultimate comfort. It has a sleek and stylish exterior, and its elongated body gives you enough interior space for some luxurious living. Whether you're out in nature or parked at your favorite campsite, the Adria Coral XL elevates your camping experience to a whole new level. Number 5 brings us to the Tiffin Wayfarer T4 FW, a Class C camper van that's all about convenience and comfort. This model is known for its spacious floor plan, offering ample room to relax and entertain. The Tiffin Wayfarer T4 FW may be the smallest in Tiffin's lineup, but don't underestimate the comfort and luxury it has to offer. It has 2 floor plan options, one of which includes a Murphy bed that maximizes your space, and a spacious living area complete with full leather furniture. With the Tiffin Wayfarer, you don't have to compromise on luxury to enjoy the freedom of the open road. Our 4th pick is the Tiberon Sprinter motorhome, a Class C van that's all about versatility. This compact yet luxurious model is built on a Sprinter chassis, making it nimble and easy to maneuver. This Class C camper van built for those who want to take their camping experience to the next level. This RV features luxury marble countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious bathroom with a sleek freestanding shower. The Tiberon is perfect for adventurers who want to explore both urban and natural landscapes without sacrificing comfort or style. Landing at number 3 is the Jayco Greyhawk. This stunning vehicle offers the perfect balance of comfort and functionality, making it a dream come true for any travel enthusiast. As we dive deeper into the features and benefits, you'll soon discover why this Class C camper van is a game changer in the RV industry. With the Jayco Class C, the world becomes your playground. Say goodbye to crowded hotels and restrictive itineraries. Now you have the freedom to explore at your own pace, stopping at breathtaking destinations along the way. Equipped with top-notch amenities and innovative design, this camper van ensures that every journey is a comfortable and memorable experience. Prepare to be pampered. Inside the Jayco Class C camper van, you'll find an array of luxurious amenities that elevate your travel experience to a whole new level. The Greyhawk is built to accommodate your every need, ensuring you can focus on creating lasting memories. Now let's talk about number 2, the EarthRoamer SX. If you're seeking adventure in the great outdoors, this off-road capable Class C camper van is your ultimate companion. Step inside and you'll find luxurious interiors that make you feel right at home. The large single-bowl stainless steel sink with a single-handle faucet with a pull-down sprayer makes cooking a breeze. The gas cooktop and microwave make cooking meals a cinch, as well as the double-door refrigerator to hold all your cold items. The slide-out creates even more floor space, while the furniture offers you a place to dine and visit, and even sleep. The 4Winds 28Z can sleep up to 6 people thanks to its bunk-over-cab design. Lastly, the private bedroom with a full bath and shower just steps away complete the package. This Class C camper van perfect for those who love to explore off the beaten path. It comes with an off-road, go-anywhere capability, rugged yet luxurious beast that opens the door to endless exploration while keeping you wrapped in comfort. We end our list with the 4Winds 28Z. A Class C camper van boasts a sleek fiberglass design with a graphics package that will turn heads no matter where your travels take you. But don't be fooled by its good looks. Under the hood, this baby is a powerhouse with a Ford E-Series chassis and 350 HP. Step inside and you'll find luxurious interiors that make you feel right at home. The large single-bowl stainless steel sink with a single-handle faucet with a pull-down sprayer makes cooking a breeze. The gas cooktop and microwave make cooking meals a cinch, as well as the double-door refrigerator to hold all your cold items. The 4Winds 28Z is the perfect Class C camper van to make your next adventure one of a kind. Luxury, comfort, and convenience, all in one neat package. There you have it. Our top 7 most luxurious Class C camper vans, each a work of art in its own right. These mobile masterpieces redefine the way we experience the open road, combining the thrill of adventure with the lap of luxury. If you've been inspired by these magnificent camper vans, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. We have more exciting journeys and amazing vehicles coming your way.